Welcome to a brand new video, and we are on Cuxton Street, where there is quite a bit of demolition work going on. Yeah, so we've got something there that's been demolished. I think they're demolishing that block. They are demolishing these houses around here. Which will be the multiversity. Yeah, these are some signs that once it's gone, you'll never see it again. You got all these houses around here, which you can probably see that they've started demolishing quite a lot. Got windows up there, all boarded up and everything. Got demolition team there. So yeah, there's an awful lot of work going on around Blackpool at the moment, demolition wise on this. So yeah, all this block will be the multiversity once it's all done. Well, that's someone's trying to kick that door in. But yeah, we'll have a look, go and look at the next site that's been demolished. Yeah, so this hotel that burnt down the other week, they've been working long and hard demolishing the entire building. Looks like they're tarmacking over. Looks like they've got a pile of gravel there, whatever. Not sure what they're doing about the not seeing where it's going now. That weed. Yeah, they're working long and hard anyway. And now we're down to the bottom. So yeah, that's the Jesus, not sure where that's wanting to get off to. Yeah, that's the end of that video, so I shall catch you all in the next one. If you like the video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, ding dong that notification bell, and catch you all in the next one.